So this is a FAA 107 certification course that deals with giving participants the ability to know all of the rules they have to follow, the laws regarding drone usage and training to safely use drones around people. You cannot legally fly a drone in the United States for commercial purposes without having an FAA certificate. Any business that wants to use drones legally has to have their staff go through the process to obtain an FAA certification. A lot of people like rescuers, local police departments, fire departments, just being able to get a bird's eye view of the situation can help in so many areas.
Doing this for search and rescue, it's with the Civil Air Patrol. So we're learning to operate the drones, so we have some aerial views.
FAA rules regarding drones are constantly shifting. Keeping current on the laws is really important as people get used to using drones.
There are some things you need to know to fly these drones. It's almost like flying an airplane in some sense.
Knowing how to use the drones safely is an important skill as more and more drones are filling our skies.